soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, in my head. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Touch my skin, am I real? 'Cause I felt something leave from within. I feel empty, have I got nothing left to give? Am I living? 'Cause I only felt alive with him. I'm driving in the night, the hood down. It's when I feel alive, when no one's around. The darkness deep inside comes to light now. But it's alright, it's alright. I can break no heart if I got none. I won't break apart if I stay on the run. But sometimes in the night I miss the sun. Why did darkness come? I felt my body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I feel known. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Why did darkness come? only felt alive with him. I'm driving in the night, the hood down. It's when I feel alive, when no one's around. The darkness deep inside comes to light now. But it's alright, it's alright. I can break no heart if I got none. I won't break apart if I stay on the run. But sometimes in the night I miss the sun. Why did darkness come? I felt my body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Nothing left to give. When we break apart, the darkness with him.
Hot coffee. It's what we all wake up to. Today's premium coffee mugs keep your coffee hot, very hot, maybe too hot. So hot that you burn your mouth testing the temperature while waiting to enjoy your coffee. This is Burnout, the temperature regulating travel mug. Like your coffee mug, Burnout has a vacuum chamber that keeps your coffee hot. But Burnout features a second interior chamber filled with HeatZorb, a wax-like bio-based substance that is specially calibrated to quickly absorb the heat from your coffee until it reaches optimal drinking temperature. We call this Drink Now technology, as it takes only a few minutes before your coffee is ready to drink. Then, the absorbed heat is stored and used to keep your coffee in the same, perfectly hot, drinkable temperature range for several hours. Watch this demonstration. In just a few minutes, the coffee in the Burnout temperature regulating mug reaches a drinkable temperature, while the coffee in the coffee mug is still far too hot to drink. In Burnout, the coffee stays at drinkable temperature while the temperature of the coffee in the other mug still has not entered the drinkability zone. Once the temperature of the coffee in the regular mug reaches drinkability, it falls through the zone quickly, meaning you either have to reheat it or drink lukewarm coffee. Burnout was developed by a group of real rocket scientists who were tired of burning their mouths on hot coffee. So they applied their heat transfer knowledge gained in cooling jet engines to make sure your coffee is at the perfect drinking temperature right away and for hours. The Burnout mug is made of premium 18/8 stainless steel, has a screw-on lid that minimizes heat loss, features an easy drink slide closure, and is dishwasher safe. So don't do the lip dance and burn your mouth as you check the temperature of your coffee. Enjoy your ready-to-drink coffee right away and for hours with a Burnout temperature regulating coffee mug. Fight the fire, keep the heat with Burnout.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, 'cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't got a lot of me to get through, push and pull me off into the deep